Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw sales activity from SugarCRM, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw sales activity from SugarCRM, start by logging into your SugarCRM account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Sales module in the left-hand menu. Click on Sales to access the sales activities related to your account. In the Sales module, find the section labeled Opportunities. Click on Opportunities to see a list of all sales opportunities. Identify the specific opportunity from which you want to withdraw activity. Click on that opportunity to open its detailed view. Once in the Opportunity Details, look for the Activities tab. Click on the Activities tab to view all associated sales activity. To withdraw a specific activity, located in the list. Click on the activity you wish to withdraw to open its details. Once the activity details are open, look for the Delete option. Confirm the deletion when prompted to remove the sales activity. If you need to withdraw multiple activities, repeat the process for each one. After withdrawing the desired activities, return to the main Opportunities page. Review the updated activity list to ensure your changes are reflected. Finally, log out from your SugarCRM account once you have completed the withdrawal process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.